In this video we are talking about 3 real-world asset coins which have a massive potential in this bull run. The real-world asset niche will be one of the best performing ones in the crypto industry in this cycle, and we still have a very low market cap on the whole industry, and I will show you my favorite ones in this video. The first coin on my list is Clearpool. Clearpool is on place 485 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $81 million. Clearpool is the first decentralized credit marketplace where you can stake, lend, and bridge cryptocurrencies and earn money with this. And there are more and more people using this platform. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, you can see that Clearpool was already published in 2021. And you can see that the price back then was very high and we saw this massive bearish correction. But if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we have a new all-time high market cap right now. And we have a circulating supply of 45%. So there are more coins in the supply. But there are also more people invested in this project. And that's why we saw this massive explosion to the upside in this last time. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about 1,700%. So as you can see, we saw some massive bullish interest. And as you can see, we also moved over this last high right here. But we just saw this wick over here and closed under this last high. And as I'm always telling you, if we see price action like this, the chance that we could see a reaction to the downside is there. But I think these prices right here at Clearpool are very interesting. Because if we are using the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we are right now reacting at the 0.618 Fibonacci. And you can also see it even better on the daily chart with this massive wicks retesting this last Fibonacci zone. And of course we have this demand zone right here. This demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. And right now we are retesting this last demand zone. We're seeing this wicks right here. And if we see a strong bullish move out of this zone, then the chance is extremely high that we could see a bullish continuation to the upside and an explosion. And on the long term, I'm very bullish on this project because as you can see, we just have a market cap of $82 million. So we have a lot of potential. I think it's an easy 20 to 50x. And even if you would make a 100x from the prices right now, we would have a market cap of around $8 billion. And I think this is a realistic price target. Of course, the real world asset niche is right now very small in comparison to the AI niche or even bigger ones. But I think the potential is very high that these coins could skyrocket in this bull cycle. And as I said, I think this kind of prices are already a great chance to get into a long position. And if you want to buy some real world asset coins like Clearpool, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,150 bonus. You'll find a link in the description. The next coin on my list is Rio. Rio is in place 1048 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $11 million. Rio is a private equity project and BlackRock is already invested in this project. And we also have these other big partners at Rio. And if we have a look at the chart, you can see that Rio is also existent since 2020 and that after this longer bearish trend, we now saw this explosion to the upside. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about nearly 3,000%. But again, Rio has just a market cap of $11 million. So we have a lot of potential to the upside. And we already broke this last high right here, but also just with this wick. And again, if you see that a coin breaks this last high right here, but just with this wick and closes below, then the chance is extremely high that we are seeing a retracement because of the bearish price action. And if you're also using the Fibonacci tool from the swing low to the swing high, you can see that we are at this very interesting Fibonacci retracement zone. And right now we are also consolidating right here in the last days. And we also have this daily order block, which is laying right here. And we retested this order block. And if we now see a bullish reaction out of the zone, then the chance is high that we are seeing an explosion and a bullish trend continuation. And then of course the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $2.64. And then of course the next really interesting high is this $3.30 market. And again guys, for the long term, I think this project has a very high potential because we just have a market cap this low. And of course, if we have coins with a low market cap, the risk is also higher. But the potential to the upside is also even higher. So I think this is a low cap gem in the real world asset niche. And also for myself, I bought some Rio just before this video. So I think it's a great opportunity to get into a potential long trade. The last coin on my list is Ondo. Ondo is right now one of the biggest coins in the real world asset niche, which is on place 77 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1 billion. And as you can see, Ondo has some very big partners and I see a lot of potential in this project. Of course, we already have a high market cap, but if we are having a high market cap in this niche, then of course the potential that we are making 100x is not very high, but we have less risk that this project will not perform. I think that we will make very good gains on this project is very high. And if we have a look at the daily chart, you can see that we are clearly in this bullish trend. Right now we are consolidating in this demand zone right here. But we already saw this wicks down here, took the liquidity under this lows. Then we saw this massive push to the upside, but also took the liquidity which was resting right here. And right now it will decide if we are breaking to the upside again and see even higher prices. Or if we see a move down here, I think the chance high that we are seeing even lower prices. But we also have this demand zone right here, which was the start of this push. And if Ondo comes into the zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend from the zone. And of course, this would be an amazing potential long entry zone at the prices around 52 cents to 38 cents. And I think this project has a high potential of $8 to $10 this bull cycle. And just from the prices right now to this potential price tags, we would have potential over 1100%. Of course, guys, this is just orientation from the prices right now. But as I said, Ondo is the best performing real world asset coin right now. And if the bull run really starts, the chance that we could see even higher market cap in the whole industry is very high. And if just a small percentage flows into Ondo, the chance is high that we could reach this potential price targets. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Ondo or the other ones, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So again, guys, this was my top 3 coins from the real world asset niche. I personally see a lot of potential in these coins. But of course, it's very important, guys, that you don't invest your whole money into one coin. Just invest money that you can lose or that you don't have to have for your living. And of course, adapted risk management is very important. So don't put your money into just one coin. You have to have a strategy, and I'm a big fan of buying coins in demand zones or if we see a bullish reaction and the chance is high that we can see massive bullish price increases in the near future. And don't just buy blindly coins at the top or if you're just hearing from them. Please keep this in mind, guys. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.